We look at windows every day in every building that we interact with, but have we ever wondered where exactly do they come from? Well, we went to Viwinco Window Company to ask the experts everything they know.
My name is David Barnes. I'm the president and CEO of Viwinco. Viwinco was a company started in 1982 with 6 employees, and we started making replacement windows for the residential replacement market. So not only do we do replacement windows now, but we also do new construction, and in some cases code requires to have impact resistant windows, or what they call hurricane windows. All of our products are custom made. We started with 6 people. We're now at about 304 people as of last week.
My name is Ryan Hoffman, and I'm the corporate trainer here at Viwinco. What I love about Viwinco is that we employ all kinds of different people, all kinds of different backgrounds, and we all work together to create a really cool product.
Okay, my name is Julia Chavez. My title here in Viwinco is production supervisor. Love my job, love making the windows that we make, and working with the people. There's pretty good people out there, and I'm so happy with it.
My name's Maria Duncan, and I am the creative director here at Allentown. My advice is just be willing to be trained by other people, and to just have an open mind, to just be a hard worker.
Well, I think that learning is fun in the manufacturing side, because not only do you deal with product design, but then you have to learn how to manufacture it efficiently. So it gets very vast when you get behind the scenes. No matter what you're manufacturing, there's a lot of different things that are involved. But what's fun about it is there's so many different angles to look at just a product. You know, we have windows, but those types of things are a lot of fun.
And that's how windows are made.